Hi everyone, I'm Dan and welcome back to Wondershare Repairit, professional photo, video and file repairing software designed to fix corrupted photos and videos. We're back with another video to help you solve a pretty common video playback issue, which is unable to play video error 5, generally encountered while trying to play videos in Google Slides. If you've been working on a presentation in Google Slides, we can understand your frustration if you're experiencing this issue. Fortunately though, it's only temporary and you can resolve it on your own. In this video, we'll show you a few different solutions that will help you troubleshoot the unable to play video error 5 in Google Slides. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any updates from Wondershare Repairit. Firstly, let's understand what unable to play video error 5 actually means. It's basically a video error that prevents users from playing back embedded videos within Google Slides. The error is triggered when the video you're trying to play back is either corrupted or has broken preferences. You might also experience this unable to play videos error 5 while adding new videos to your Google Slides presentation. And while there are a few different reasons that can cause this issue, corrupted video files are the #1 cause of this issue. Well, now that you know what causes the unable to play video error 5 in Google Slides, let's run through a few different ways to solve the problem. As usual, we'll start with a simple solution, so first and foremost, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. There are so many situations where poor internet is the reason why Google Slides can't play an embedded video. To check if this is the case, try loading another website. If it doesn't open, restart your Wi-Fi router to reset the network connection. If the problem still persists, try clearing cookies and cached files in your browser. These are temporary files automatically created by your browser to speed things up. However, if there are too many cached files and cookies, they can affect video playback in your browser. To check if uncleared cookies are the cause of the unable to play video error 5 problem, open a website like Facebook or YouTube and try playing another video. If your web browser doesn't play videos on any other websites, follow these steps to clear the browser cookies. Open Google Chrome and click the menu button at the top right-hand corner. Select More Tools and Clear Browsing Data. The Clear Browsing Data window will open on your screen. Here, select the Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files checkboxes and click the Clear Data button. Wait for the browser to clear the cookies and cached files and then restart the web browser. Open the Google Slides that you are working on and see if you're able to play the video. If you're still unable to play videos in Google Slides, the next step is to disable hardware acceleration as well. Hardware acceleration is an exclusive Google Chrome feature that's designed to let your browser use the system's resources to deliver better performance. But it can cause Google Chrome to run into different errors or crash. So to fix this, we'll need to disable it. Again, open Google Chrome and tap on the menu icon. Click Settings to open the settings window on your screen. Click Advanced, choose System, and toggle the switch off next to Use Hardware Acceleration when available to disable this feature. After turning off hardware acceleration, once again restart your web browser and see if you're able to play the video in Google Slides. If none of those methods fix the issue, it's time to deactivate plugins and extensions. Sometimes third-party plugins or extensions are the main reason behind why videos won't play in Google Slides. If you started encountering this problem recently, there's a huge chance that a recently added plugin or extension is causing the problem. If this is the case, all you have to do is disable the faulty plugin to fix the unable to play video error 5 in Google Slides. To do this, click on the menu icon, select More Tools and choose Extensions. You'll see a list of all the installed extensions. Disable the extensions one by one to find the one that's causing the issue. If disabling plugins and extensions doesn't work, the next thing we can try is updating our browser to the latest version. In many cases, outdated web browsers don't support the latest video codecs. So if it's been a few months since you updated your browser, make sure you update it to the latest version. Now let's suppose you have the Google Chrome web browser. To update it, you need to visit the official Google Chrome webpage and press I want to update Chrome. You'll now be redirected to a page where the steps are listed on how to update Google Chrome. Press the 3 vertical dots icon on the top right-hand corner of your Google Chrome window. Select Help and click on About Chrome. It will take you to a new tab and automatically search for available updates. If the updates are available, get them installed. If Google Slides is still not playing the embedded videos, try switching to incognito mode to work on the presentation. Incognito mode is basically a private window that doesn't load any third-party plugins or extensions. To open an incognito tab, simply press Ctrl-Shift-N. Now for the most important part. So far we've talked about situations where the problem was being triggered by the web browser. But if you still can't add new videos to your Google Slides presentation, there's a huge probability that the video file is corrupted. Since there's a good possibility the video file is corrupted, you can make use of our professional video repair software, Wondershare Repairit, to troubleshoot the problem. It's a feature-packed video repair tool that repairs both corrupted videos and photos. The tool supports a wide range of file formats, including MP4, MOV, JPEG, PNG, MKV, and more. Earlier versions of Repairit were only able to repair video files, but the brand new version can repair corrupted photos as well. It doesn't matter if the files were damaged by an external malware attack or by a bad file transfer, Repairit can resolve the issue in 3 easy steps. Start by downloading and installing Wondershare Repairit on your system. Launch the software and select the Video Repair tab on the left-hand menu. Click Add and choose the video that you want to repair from your file explorer. Since Repairit supports batch processing, you can also add multiple videos at the same time. Once the videos are successfully added, simply click the Repair button at the bottom right-hand corner and wait for the tool to repair the added files. After the process is complete, you'll see a confirmation message on your screen. Click the Save button to save the repaired video. Well, that concludes today's episode on how to fix the Unable to Play Videos Error 5 in Google Slides. We hope this video has helped you resolve the problem and finish your presentation without delay. If this video has helped you out, don't forget to give it a like down below and also comment down below if you're experiencing any other issues. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great videos just like this. I'm Dan, and I'll see you next time.